Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So student, as you know, school has started and here we are going to start online classes to you. So student, here I am going to teach you maths. So student, here is your today's topic. Chapter 1, Rational and Irrational Numbers. Clear? Okay. So let's start. So student, in previous class you learn natural number, whole number and integers and rational numbers too. So let's recall all numbers first. Okay, let's start. So student, here is the definition of natural number. Number which can be used for counting, it is called natural number. Number which can be used for counting, it is called natural number. Example is 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Clear? The number is which can be used for counting. वो नंबर जो हम काउंटिंग के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, इट इज़ कॉल्ड नेचुरल नंबर. Example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Okay. Now the second is whole number. Whole number. A number 0 and numbers which are used while counting. It is also used while counting. Okay. Example is 0 से लेकर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 etc. so on. Okay. Clear? A number 0 and numbers which are used, 0 और जो भी नंबर है which are used while counting, it is also used while counting. ये भी काउंटिंग के लिए यूज़ होते हैं. ओके. होल नंबर्स, इसमें 0 भी लगता है. ओके. 0 से लेकर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 etc. Clear? So students, here also some more numbers are here. So can you tell me it is whole number or normal numbers? No, it is not a whole number because here is used -2. We can't use while counting. We can't use this number while counting. Okay. 2.5 we can't use while counting. 3.4 we can't use while counting these numbers. Okay. So this is not a whole number. Whole number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 to infinity. Clear? So student, here is integer. So what is integer? Integer is number 0 and numbers used for counting and negative of numbers used for also counting. Okay. What is integer? Number 0 and numbers used for counting is also used for counting, and negative of numbers used also used for counting. It help us while counting in our daily life. Clear? So here is the example of integer. So student, here is the example of integer 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and -1, -2, -3 and so on. Clear? Okay. Means integer is number 0 and numbers used for counting and negative of numbers used also for counting. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Clear? Okay student, here I am going to start rational number. Okay, so what is rational number? We can understand the rational number with example. Okay, here I am going to write some example of rational number. So students, here is the example of rational number 1 upon 8, 2, 1 by 3, minus 2 by 5, minus 3, 4 by 5, 3, 4 and 10. Okay, so these are rational numbers. 1 upon 8, 2, 1 by 3, minus 2 by 5, minus 3, 4 by 5. These are rational number. So student, tell me 3, 4 and 10, these also are a rational number? Yes, it is also a rational number. Why? We can write here 1, 1, 1. If there is nothing, denominator is here, then we can write here 1. Okay, if here 0, if the denominator is 0, then so can you tell me it is a rational number? No, it is not a rational number because here denominator is 0. Okay, understood? Clear? So students, now I am going to use these rational number in number line, in this number line. Okay, now we are going to write now we will use this rational number in this number line. Okay, let's start. So student, first is 1 upon 8. Okay, you can see 1 upon 8. Now we have to write here, use this rational number in this number line. So let's see how to use this rational number 1 upon 8. So students, first we have to see what is denominator is given. So see here, what is denominator is given? 8. Here is 8. See here, 8 is here. So and 1 is here. So we can put this rational number here 0 to 1 because it is a positive number. Okay, so we will put here this rational number. How? Denominator is 8, then we have to divide 0 to 1 in 8 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because 8 is denominator. Then we have to divide 0 to 1 in 8 parts. Clear? Now you can see nominator is 1. Okay, nominator is 1 here. Then how to put 1 upon 8 here? So see, here is a 1 point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here is a 1. So 1 upon 8 right here. 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 4 by 8. Clear? Understood? Clear? So student, if the numerator is here given 2, if numerator is here 2, then how to put 2 upon 8 here? Then you can see 1 or 2. See, it is 2, then 2 upon 8 we can put here. Clear? If the numerator is 3, then 1, 2, 3. We can put 3 by 8 here. Clear? Everyone clear? Now students, second is 2, 1 by 3. 2, 1 by 3. Okay, it is also a whole number. Oh sorry, rational number. Okay, then how to put this number in number line? So here is 2, then 1. We have to jump with 2. Okay, तो हमको देखना पड़ेगा 2 कहाँ है यहाँ. तो here is 1 and 2. Now we have to put the rational number here. Okay, 1, 2, because 2 is here. Clear? So 1 and the denominator is here 3. So 1, 2, 3. We have to divide 2 to 3 in 3 parts because denominator is 3. And 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. Clear? Now student, third is minus 2 by 5. It is a negative number, negative rational number. Okay, minus 2 by 5. You can see here is negative rational number. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, now we have to put these rational number to here. Clear? So here you can see minus 2 by 5. So we will count here. So here numerator is minus 2 and denominator is 5. So we have to count 5. We have to divide 0 to minus 1 in 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Now minus 2 is here. So 1, 2. So 2. So 2 upon 5. We can write here 1, 2. We can write here minus 2 by 5. Clear? Now the fourth is minus 3, 4 by 5. See, minus 3, 4 by 5. So here is minus 3, then we have to jump here minus 3. Clear students? Here is minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Clear? Clear? Then 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is here. Now we have to divide 5 parts of -3 to -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and denominator is 4. Now we are going to 4. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have to write here number 4 by 5 minus 3, 4 by 5. Clear? Okay. Everyone will clear? Everyone is clear? So student, here is your homework. Put these rational number in your number line. You have to draw a number line and put these number 1 by 5, 2 by 3, 4, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Clear? It is your homework. So student, tomorrow we will learn the remaining chapter, the remaining part of this chapter. Okay, thank you. Bye.